This is Shelley Kraft coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the Aegis Capital Corp Investment Growth Conference in Las Vegas 2016. With me today is Houston Frost Payment Data Systems. It's a publicly traded company and the symbol is PYDS. Houston, welcome to SNNLive.
Thank you so much for having me, Shelley.
It's good to have you. Let's start out, if you would, with an overview of the company, and then we'll go from there.
Absolutely. So Payment Data Systems is a full-stack payment processor. We do traditional merchant payment solutions, so credit and debit card acceptance. We also do ACH credit and debits for a variety of merchants. And in addition to the traditional solutions, we operate a prepaid card program manager and issuer side processing platform.
This is a really big business, isn't it?
It's a huge market. Trillions of dollars move through the credit card networks and the ACH networks annually. We're a small company in a very big market, but are certainly doing some things to differentiate ourselves from our competitors.
Like what?
Well, on the traditional ACH and credit and debit card side, we are leveraging a massive data set that we have to better provide some of our merchants with tools and analytics that enables them to better manage risk in terms of who's making payments and whether or not those payments will actually go through. On the prepaid card side of the business, we are really excited about some of our initiatives there. So we've really taken a forward-thinking approach to the prepaid card solutions. For example, we've recently launched a fully digital gift and incentive card platform that allows merchants and other businesses that want to disperse rewards, rebates, and incentives the ability to do that without actually having to order and purchase plastic. They can send those open-loop gift cards, so MasterCard, Visa-type products, directly to the recipient via an email or a text message. So it costs a fraction of what a traditional plastic card costs them, and it's available instantly to the recipient.
How large, what's the potential growth of that particular item?
Well, the gift and incentive space is relatively large. It's dominated right now by the traditional plastic cards. So you'll see offers on TV, buy a set of tires and get a Visa gift card, for example, or sign up for this cable service. It's also been dominated a lot in the closed loop, with the closed loop type card. So a $5 gift card, for example, to Starbucks. We really look at it and say, giving away an incentive is great and getting one is awesome, but having to jam another piece of plastic in your wallet is kind of a pain. And in addition, creating those plastic cards, mailing them out, fulfilling them has been an additional cost burden, and that's why a lot of these companies will stick with a closed loop solution. It's cheaper for them to get. They usually get it at a discount instead of an open loop solution where the recipient can, spend that gift card anywhere Visa or MasterCard is accepted, not just at a specific merchant.
Where is the greatest growth for your company going to come from?
We really believe it'll come from the prepaid card side. So we have a couple of different business-to-business solutions. So I mentioned the gift and incentive card. We also offer a turnkey solution for companies to launch their own consumer reloadable product. This year alone, we've had over a dozen companies begin to engage with us in conversation about launching their own prepaid product. And we've already gotten started on about a half dozen of those. So that enables us to partner with a company that has their own customers, and they're going to spend their own marketing dollars to ship out prepaid cards, and then we are the engine behind that.
So you're the back end.
We're the back end, yes.
What's your background?
So I came to Payment Data Systems through Akimbo, which was a startup prepaid card company I founded in 2010. And Payment Data Systems acquired Akimbo, and our team is now with Payment Data. So I've been primarily focused on that area of the business. Prior to Akimbo, I was at JP Morgan on the trading floor, trading fixed income securities. So,
who's senior management?
So Louis Hoke is our Chief Executive Officer. He co-founded Payment Data Systems in 1998, so we've been around for a while. It originally was founded as an online bill payment and presentment company, and has since, pivoted more to the traditional payment processing that I mentioned earlier, and is now expanded into the prepaid card side of the business as well.
And what differentiates your company from other companies in the prepaid card space?
So at Payment Data, we strongly believe that the plastic card as we know it is dying a slow death, and it's going away. So I mentioned our digital card solution a little bit earlier. What we're really trying to do is an end-to-end solution that eliminates plastic entirely. So we can deliver not only those gift and reward cards, but also a consumer reloadable card or a bank alternative debit card instantly to a mobile phone. That card can be provisioned right away to your Apple Wallet or even Samsung Pay or Android Pay and used immediately. So we really see that the days of shipping cards across the country, shipping plastic across the country are numbered, and we want to get ahead of that trend, and we're already doing it with our digital card solutions.
Doesn't that also have a benefit for fraud in the card business?
It potentially does have a benefit for fraud. The way that Apple Pay and Samsung Pay transactions are actually processed is it's more of an EMV type processing of those payments. So, the security is actually, there's greater security in contactless payments, and then you also trust the device that the card is actually being delivered to. So there are several benefits to the fraud side.
Listen, for more information, what website can you give us for our investor audience to go visit?
Please visit us at paymentdata.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, Houston Frost, Payment Data Systems. It's a publicly traded company. PYDS is the stock symbol. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive, and we're coming to you live from the Aegis Capital Corp Investment Growth Conference here in Las Vegas, 2016. Houston, thank you for coming
Thank you so
on.
much, Shelley.
Thanks.